Ayan, nagki-cleaning kami ng aming garden dito sa Hacienda Qualicom. Bayanihan na to. So, tinanggal na yung mga damo kasi masyado na marami. Ito ay garlic plantation. See? So, me naman, ako inililinis ko I'm removing the weeds. Yan o, through this kalaykay. No, this is not arek. Anong tawag dito? What do you call this? What do you call this? Ayan, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, feature natin ang bayanihan dito sa aming garlic plantation.
Tapos i-focus mo yung garlic. Almost ready for harvest.
Yeah, so our garlic here is ready for harvest na. Wait for our harvesting time. Ayan, so for now we're cleaning. We're removing the weeds and they're putting, what is that? Compost.
Yeah, we're making it compost. The kitchen scrap.
Yeah.
Scrap.
So, making a compost.
Tuyo na yun.
Okay, for now, this is it. Wait for our harvest time. Yan. Kasi this is ready for harvesting na, yung garlic. Okay. So, those are huge pine trees, cedar wood. Our plum. Yellow plum yan. Yeah. And, yeah. Ang tubo. All right. Oh, nalinis na. Pwede na rin, pwede nang taniman ulit. Oh, see? Ang garlic plantation ni Aling Neneng. Oh, diba? Pwede na to i-harvest. Ayan. So ito ay nilagyan ng kulong-kulong kasi gawa ng yung mga deer pumapasok dito at kinakain ang mga ito. Ayan. So see. Thank you for watching. So ready na to para sa nabunot. Baon ulit natin. Okay? Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.